Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to send a photo in a community group on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on your community. This could be a specific community or a larger group of communities that you're a part of. Step 3. Within your community, select a group where you want to send the photo. Tap on the group's name to enter. Step 4. Look for the attachment icon within the group. It is usually represented by a paperclip symbol. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Now, find the gallery icon, typically represented by a stack of photos. Give it a tap to access the photo sending feature. Step 6. Select the photo or photos that you want to send. You can browse through your device's gallery to locate the desired photo. Tap on it to select. Step 7. Finally, when you're ready to send the photo, simply tap on the play button. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a photo in a community group on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching.